this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm in the Ivory Coast, Abidjan, the city, and somebody is cooking palm butter for me. In the Ivory Coast, it's called sauce Graine. It's nuts from the tree. So let me show you what's gonna happen today. This is the palm nuts that she's gonna use straight from the tree. No canned cooking today. So I'm going to show you how to make this sauce Graine. It's what it's called in Ivory Coast, but in Liberia it's called palm butter. Abidjan, Ivory Coast really need to do better. I came to my in-laws so the lady could cook the peanut soup last night. And well, yesterday we started in the day and to make some fufu. And then light went in the morning and it was gone the entire day. The kitchen was so dark and so hot because the light was gone. And she don't cook outside, she cook on the stove. Oh, poisson. Let me show you also what she's gonna put in there. Wait a minute. She just brought some dry fish that she's gonna put in there also. In the other bowl, she is going to put some chicken. So I told her to come outside. Since the kitchen is so dark, she's put the fish and the meat in one pot. She has the chicken in another, and she's about to put it on the stove. She's going to cut some onions and put it in there. She said the chicken is not African chicken, it's soft. So she's going to start boiling the meat first before she boils the chicken. So she has just added it to the pot. She didn't put any water. She's going to let it steam a little bit and then put some water. Boiled it for 30 minutes and now she's beating it to get all the oil. She did her hair, it is so pretty. She's taking the first set out and then she's gonna put the other one. She don't want to crowd the mother. And she's gonna wash it in hot water to get all the oil out. Ooh. Pardon. Now she's about to put the hot water. We'll take all the oil out. Pardon. Faut me donner papier, hein? Je vais. Non, vous laissez. Merci. Merci, hein? Now she's gonna string it. We're gonna string it several times to get all the tash and everything that's broken out of it. Keep stringing it again. She has some meat she's gonna put in there. Okay, now she's about to pour the palm nut soup that she strained in the pot. She still hasn't added the chicken yet. She is about to make the plakali. So she's taking it, putting it in some water, and she's gonna mix it and strain it. And it's made out of cassava, fermented cassava. And she's adding some water to it. Ouais. Ouais. She said she has to do it little by little. She's speaking French because this is a French-speaking country in Abidjan, the Ivory Coast. So the plakali has been sitting for a while, and she's gonna waste all the water that came to the top, and there's only what at the bottom she's gonna put on the stove, and she's gonna cook it. So that's what's left that she's gonna cook. Here she has onion, tomatoes, fresh tomato, and pepper that she's gonna put in the saucepan. It's boiling. I told her I like lots of pepper. Okay, now she has put it on the stove. The saucepan is in the back, and she's gonna start cooking it. She's gonna turn it with this big spoon right here, this wooden spoon, and that's how she's gonna cook it. Okay, now she's about to put the chicken in. I told you it was soft. It's not the African chicken, so it don't take a long time to cook. Okay, and the plakali, she has started to stir it. Now she's mashing up the pepper, the onions, and the tomatoes, and she's going to put it in the saucepan. I can't wait to eat, and then I'm gonna go to the market to pick up my stuff. By the way, the light came back. Okay, so it's boiling. Saucepan, and she's not gonna cover it all the way. She cover it just so it don't just splash. But she just cover it a little bit, because if you cover it all the way, it will just stay watery. It won't dry up. And here's the plakali. She put some water in the plakali. You see, it's still cooking. She has it on low. And the palm butter is back there. The saucepan. Now she's putting Maggi cube in there. And she's going to put some salt also. Just breaking that up. Salt. Now she's going to stir it up. And it's going to continue to cook. The electricity came back, so the fan is on. It feels so good. I'm just sitting outside Enjoying the breeze now while the lady cooks. Okay, the plakali is done. When it cools a little bit, she will take it out and mold it so we can eat. Now this is the saucepan with all the oil coming to the top. It smells so good. Okay, she's about to cut it off and we're about to eat. It is time to eat. Let me show you my food. This is what I took out. Yummy. Very, very good. Now after I eat, I will have the strength to go to the market to pick up all my things. It is yummy. All natural. Now have it cook. Let me eat my food. Ooh, it's hot.